So I just got my hair done today, and I feel like if I didn't say anything, no one would even notice. This is my first time trying Burmese curly hair, and this was absolutely perfect. This is Janet Collection's new Burmese curly line, and it's beautiful. The curls are so tight and natural, but the hair is not too heavy. It's still full, but it gives a definitely lightweight feel, so this was the perfect choice for me. I love how natural it looks and how it blends with my natural hair. This is definitely the look of the summer.
This is Janet Collection's Human Hair Burmese Deep Curl, and it's the perfect hair. It's so full but still lightweight, and it has beautiful curls. Different thing that Janet Collection does is they put this styrofoam in it so they preserve that spiral look. So even when you do install it, it still lasts.
For the frame, velvet in my walk, steel in my spine.